direction, a nigga trip. Swooped up a bitch and we bout to pop a fifth. Every time I drop a whip, she calling him off a dick. She called me number 2 cause she know that I'm the shit. She glanced at my wrist, she asked if I'm selling bricks. You know what it is, 2676. I'm on 7 deuce when niggas get rich and hit licks. Call up the plug, nigga, in his late 30s. I'ma be there 8:30 to pick up 8 birdies. I got it, bitch, you heard me. Next till service, need work, nigga, chirp me. You broke niggas hurt me. Posting on the block when I turn 17. Bowls of kush for 7 G's, knots in my 7 G's. Keep a spot with some hoes, got them taking off their jaws,